Hi, I'm Tony. This is guitar number 2 under the guidance of Andrew Armstrong in Brisbane. This guitar is an OM. It's Kemp Floral back and sides. It's Engelmann spruce top. The neck will be Queensland maple, and the bindings on this, which are quite a nice contrast, are bloodwood. It's about the process, about the satisfaction and reward in making something yourself, and you're making an instrument which is comparable to a top-end guitar, and from experience it's better than anything I've ever picked up. Basically, I'm just wanting to see what I can do. It's all an experiment to me. Everyone's going to be a little bit different, so I'm interested to see how this will turn out differently. Well, it's going to look a little bit different, but it should sound a little bit different. The plan is to do something different each time. So the next, I'm thinking about an electric, so it's different concepts and techniques in construction. Yeah. If, like myself, you're interested in guitars, you're interested in perhaps making one yourself, and looking for something different to do with a bit of spare time, I would suggest that you contact Andrew Armstrong about making your own guitar. And the details are at the end of this video.